Okay, so I'm creating this video for you so you can, maybe it'll help you get into Google Classroom a little bit easier. So I open a new window and you can search Google, just go to the Google page, it looks like this, and then you're going to go ahead and sign in. You, a student, or parents, your students, your kids should know their login information. They've been using Google Classroom, especially with Mr. Zepeda. So remember your email, your school Google email address is going to be the year of graduation, which for everyone is 2028. It's going to be the first three letters of your first name. Mine would be Kay, and then your entire last name. My entire last name is Martinez. And then this is what's the same for everybody. So you need to put your at symbol, and it's GAE dash SISDK 12.net. And that will be your Google sign in. It's not going to let me go because that's not my sign in. So then you would click next, and it is going to ask you for your password. Not here because that's not a real address. Remember your password is the first three letters, or the first initial of your first name. So mine would be K. The initial of your last name would be M, lowercase, and then your 6-digit lunch number. So you should have 6 digits after your first name initial and your last name initial. If this is not working, please contact me because I know some students who were new to the district might have a different sign-in. Okay, then you'll click next through and it's probably going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So you need to make sure if it doesn't take you straight to Google Classroom, there's a little waffle up here. And so within this waffle, you click on it and you scroll down and you should find Google Classroom. It's a little green box, little person, little chalkboard, and you're going to click on that. So it would help if I was in the right one. Okay, and so then you should have your classroom. It's either called Miss Crow or Miss Sanders. And that's how you log into Google Classroom. I'll be coming with more videos on how to use Google Classroom.